ChatGPT is crazy. You may not even know that they're using AIs in order to get a competitive edge. Is it going to take my job? Is it going to replace me? Is it going to become so smart that it's going to end us all? Is it actually safe? What's up, Street Scholars? It's your boy Tim Tarantino, aka Timmy the Plug, coming with another YouTube video. Serial entrepreneur, videographer, graphic designer, photographer. Branding and marketing is what I do in building personal brands and helping you get money. That's why we're here today in class. Now, I know everybody's been hearing about the AI. AI. That's all they've been talking about. The thing about it is AI has been around for a very long time, but now we have AI such as ChatGPT, the main one, taking over. ChatGPT is crazy. It can do coding to make whole websites. Ask it to do a poem. It can do a poem for you. People are making businesses and building businesses right now as we know it, and you may not even know that they're using AIs in order to get a competitive edge. However, with all of these things, it begs the question, is it actually safe? I'm gonna pause and pump the brakes on that. I think the real question that a lot of people want to ask is it going to replace me? Is it going to take my job? Is it going to become so smart that it's going to end us all? So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to give a couple of different examples of when those same exact things were said and the outcome. Before we even get started, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel. It definitely helps a smaller YouTuber like me out, and we're going to be going some places this year, and I want you to be a part of that journey. Let's get into it. Computers and the internet. Computers and the internet. It's the biggest one. People said that when computers came out, it would replace us all. Specifically when they became accessible to the public, that's when people actually felt that computers were going to take us over. When people started using computers for learning in the classrooms and also for business, would it replace the human workers? Would internet replace the books that we were looking at regularly to get our information? How accurate was it? Sound familiar? These are some of the same things they're saying about AI right now, and these are some of the same issues that it does have as of now. Fast forward even further, when you're talking about things such as the kiosks being inside McDonald's doing the automatic orders, will they take over the actual workers at McDonald's? We saw how that happened. It didn't actually go that way. People were still working and doing what they have to do at McDonald's, etc., etc. Computers are smart, AI is smart. It doesn't mean that it's going to take over what we're already doing. And even if it does to a degree take down the amount of jobs that people have, it just means that people will, one, get paid more and better, and two, it will put a type of premium on the type of people that companies are hiring in order to be in those stores. So now, although there may be quote unquote less workforce, there will actually be a higher demand for people that can work inside those fields, even if it's smaller and at the bottom. And then as far as the internet, you use the internet every single day. Google, for instance. Remember the internet before Google? A lot of people may not, but I do. How hard was it to search and find information to do some of the things that you want to do? Is it the most accurate? No. Do you have to do your research? Yes. It's mainly up to you. You're using the internet to do the things that you want to do. You want to browse cat videos all day? Shoot, by all means, go ahead, bro. Watch as many cat videos as you want. It's your tool and you can use it how you want to use it. But see, me, on the other hand, a lot of people are using the internet to find out how to make money, to find out different streams of income, to find out how to do their jobs better, to find out how to be a better entrepreneur. It's up to you how you want to use the tool. But some people may argue the internet isn't safe because of all the extraneous things you can do too and all the bad information it has. Which actually leads me on to my second one. Social media. Social media. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, back in the day, MySpace, when people got on MySpace. All of these things, including YouTube, are social media. With so much interconnectivity and so many people having access to other people, it's only enhanced what we've been able to do as a society to a degree. Does it have its downfalls? Of course social media has its downfalls. A lot of studies show that it does have an effect on our mental health and what we're doing with it. But once again, those things can be tied back to how you particularly use it and what you're using it for. You have direct control over social media and how you choose to use it. People like myself, I understand the power of social media and how it can absolutely change your life. We have an avenue for you to make, honestly, almost an unlimited amount of money with the unlimited amount of reach that we just didn't have before. Some people might say that that's actually going a little too far and that we don't actually have as much interpersonal connectivity as we used to. However, I beg to differ. The fact that somebody can see this video right now and it motivates them to do something as far as going out there, being a better entrepreneur, or going to acquire some type of skill to me is the type of thing that I don't think you could ever put a price on. And then recently, with the TikTok phenomenon, there was such an uproar over the privacy and the sensitive information that TikTok was doing and who was backing TikTok being, you know, a certain government, that we were scared to use it, or a lot of people were scared to use it. However, on the flip side, look at the people that have embraced TikTok now. There's plenty of people that are blowing up overnight, being able to change their lives and enhance their lives in order to provide for their family and do different things, because it's a tool and that's how they chose to use it. Artificial intelligence, AI. So lastly, AI. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. This AI is just like the internet. It's just like computers. It's just like social media, except it's times 10. You don't have to worry about it taking your job. It is a tool that's only as good as the user behind it. Will there be some people that use it for the wrong reasons? Of course there will be, but it's always been that way and will continue to be that way. We're not going to stop it just by not using it. All the AI would do is enhance what you already have and make you better. Instead of having to search through things for hours, you can do it in minutes. The AI will do it for you. Think of it like Google times 100. If you have to write a paper, if you have to make a website, if you want to learn how to do a business, you can ask it these questions and it will give you information in seconds. Time. As we talked about inside a lot of my previous other videos, time is invaluable and will make you money. So with this cutting down the time for you to do all of your tasks, it can make you a better you. Can AIs program robots at some point and actually be able to do some of these jobs? Of course they can. But guess what? They're still going to need oversight. They're still going to need overview. And there will still be a place for human elements. We've had computers and the internet for over half a decade. It's going over 20 years now that we've had social media as we know it today, and it's only evolving as well. I myself, I'm somebody about evolution and growth. And I'm going to keep hammering the point down. To anybody that listens to me, embrace the AI. Don't make the mistakes of the people that's not using it and not being better, advancing in their fields. Now for me, if you want to see how I'm implementing AI, check out a couple of my other videos. Last but not least, I want to thank y'all for watching this video. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment exactly how you're going to be using AI and what it's going to do for you. Another time, Street Scholars. TimmiThePlug out.